those wheels. Oh, stop it. Hey! Oh, bro, you're on What's on the Hoist, G? Well, that's a breath of sunshine, isn't it? At least somebody bought the sun.
Yep.
Now it's recording.
It's recording me. Hello.
Where are we going today?
Car show.
What's it called? Chrome
Nights.
Yeah. And how's the weather doing?
Terrible.
Yeah.
It's rain.
It's raining, all right. Miserable, isn't it?
Yep.
But we're gonna go because we're hardcore, aren't we?
That's up my nose.
Yeah. And I promised you guys we'd go, eh?
Yeah. So you have to.
Yeah. I'm a good daddy.
Yellow car, no, take back all the colour in the rainbow.
Okay, whatever just happened there, was that a yellow car?
Yeah.
Oh.
And Danton and Jono are behind him.
Yeah, Danton's in his new car. Yay, Danton.
Oh, dear.
Yeah.
Are we pulling into the place? Oh yeah, we are.
What's up, Slugger? How is there?
There'll be other kids.
Oh, I like those wheels.
You look young.
We put those on. Oh, stop it. Hey! Oh, bro, you're on What's on the Hoist, G? Well, that's a breath of sunshine, isn't it? At least somebody bought the sun. Oh, I like those MTG wheels, bro. Yeah. How good. Welcome to What's on the Hoist, Ezra.
Thanks, mate.
It's not me you got to worry about, it's Jono.
Yeah. But hey, I must admit that last one was a good input from him.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever you do, page up for power.
Page up for power.
Isn't that right, James?
That's right. Very much so.
Ooh, look at that. away, girls. Hi. Oh, look, Johnny's car.
Daddy's car. Daddy's car. Daddy's car. Hi, Daddy's car. I want to go in there.
look at us. It's cool.